Have you been eagerly awaiting the next big update for the iPad mini? You're in for a treat. Today we're diving into what we might see with the upcoming iPad mini 7. From potential upgrades to the display and processor to exciting new features, we got all the details you need. Plus, stay tuned till the end for a special reward you won't want to miss. Let's get started and see what makes the iPad mini 7 so intriguing. OLED display. Are you curious about what's next for the iPad mini? Well, we've got some exciting details that might just surprise you. Imagine holding a future iPad mini with a stunning OLED display. Sounds amazing, right? While that's a possibility on the horizon for 2026, the upcoming 7th generation might not see this upgrade just yet. Instead, it's likely to stick with the current display type, keeping the familiar look and feel you've come to know. But don't worry, there are still plenty of other upgrades to get excited about. And if you stick around until the end, we've got something special just for you. Let's dive into what else could be in store for the iPad mini 7 processor. Now, let's talk about power. The iPad mini 7 could be a game changer when it comes to performance. There's speculation that it might feature the new A17 Pro or even the A18 Pro chip. These processors are expected to bring a significant boost in speed and efficiency, making the iPad mini 7 not just another tablet, but potentially an iPad mini Pro. This kind of power could open up new possibilities, from smoother multitasking to enhanced gaming experiences, all packed into the familiar compact size of the iPad mini. Other improvements, but the upgrades don't stop there. Apple might also introduce promotion technology in the iPad mini 7, which would deliver a higher refresh rate for a smoother, more responsive display. This would be a major improvement, especially for those who use their iPad mini for gaming or watching high-definition videos. Additionally, we might see a revised selfie camera placement, making it more convenient for video calls and selfies. Another rumored improvement is the reduction of the jelly scrolling effect that some users have noticed on current models. These enhancements could make the iPad mini 7 feel more refined and user-friendly. Release date. So when can we expect to get our hands on the iPad mini 7? If Apple sticks to its usual schedule, we're likely looking at a September 2024 release date. This would coincide with the launch of the iPhone 16 series, making it a big month for Apple fans. As the date approaches, anticipation will surely build, and we'll be here to keep you updated with the latest news and leaks. If you're as excited as we are, be sure to stay tuned for more information as we get closer to the big reveal. Price. Now let's talk about the price. The iPad mini 7 is expected to start at $499, similar to previous models. However, if the rumored features like promotion and a more powerful processor become reality, the price could climb higher. Even with a potential increase, the iPad mini 7 is likely to offer solid value for the tech packed inside. Whether it's worth the extra cost will depend on the final specs, but it's shaping up to be an impressive device. In summary, the iPad mini 7 is shaping up to be an exciting release, even if it doesn't get the OLED display upgrade just yet. With the possibility of a powerful A17 Pro or A18 Pro chip, it could become a mini powerhouse, offering impressive performance in a compact form. The addition of promotion, a revised selfie camera, and reduced jelly scrolling could make it more user-friendly and enjoyable to use. While the starting price is expected to remain at $499, the potential for new features could make it an even better value. As we approach the expected September 2024 launch, there's a lot to look forward to. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.